Today we're going to be singing Stuck in the Moment by Justin Bieber. Old one, but a good one. With you, I wish we had another time, I wish we had another place. Romeo and Juliet, but they never felt the way we felt. Bonnie and Clyde never had a high like we do. You and I, but no, it can't work. It's all fun and games. Someone gets hurt and I won't let that be you. Now you don't wanna let go, and I don't wanna let you know there must be something real between us two. Who knew? Now we don't wanna fall, but we're tripping in our hearts, and it's reckless and clumsy, 'cause I know you can love me. Yeah. I wish we had another time, I wish we had another place. We're just stuck in the moment, and there's nothing my heart can do. Give me time and space, 'cause I'm still stuck in the moment with you. Like Adam and Eve, really was a destiny, like Sonny and Cher. I don't care, I got you, baby. We both fighting every inch of our fiber, 'cause anyway it's gonna end right. But we are both too foolish to stop. Now we don't wanna let go, and I don't wanna let you know there's gonna be something real between us two. Who knew? Well, we don't wanna fall, but we're tripping in our hearts, and it's reckless and clumsy. But I know you can love me. Yeah. No time, I wish we had another place, 'cause everything we have is stuck in the moment, and nothing my heart can do. Maybe time and space, 'cause I'm still stuck in the moment with you. It's a cool world, and we can't be. Maybe we both have the right to disagree. I ain't with, we don't wanna be so old and gray. We're at these better days, and we're lost to let go, so you never know. I wish we had another time, I wish we had another place. Everything we had and everything we had, stuck in the moment. Yeah. Wish in another place, 'cause everything we have is stuck in the moment, and there's nothing my heart can do. Like with time and space, 'cause I'm still stuck in the moment with you.